Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Timilk VeinGuard Herbal Spray. The Timilk VeinGuard Herbal Spray is made to help people who suffer from varicose veins and leg discomfort. It comes in a spray form, which makes it easy to apply directly to the affected area. The formula is herbal, so it uses natural ingredients to improve blood circulation and reduce swelling. Many users say it gives a cooling and soothing effect right after spraying. This makes tired or heavy legs feel lighter and more relaxed. With regular use, it may help reduce the visible appearance of varicose and spider veins. The spray absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy or sticky feeling. It is also gentle, so it can be used daily without irritation. People like that is more convenient than creams or gels since it doesn't require much rubbing. It's also portable, so you can carry it in a bag and use it whenever needed. The natural scent is mild and refreshing, which makes application pleasant. Some users notice less pain and itching after using it for a few weeks. It can also be helpful for people who sit for long hours at work. Overall, Timilk VeinGuard Herbal Spray is an easy, soothing, and natural way to care for leg vein health. If you want comfort and support, this spray is a useful choice. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.